Hey guys, I'm finally back with a new video. Today, I'll be showing you my latest creation. A compact replica of a rather famous family of pistols. It's built entirely from real Lego bricks, and of course, it wouldn't be one of my videos if it wasn't fully functional as well. But before we geek out, let's find out if this little sucker packs a punch. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little demo. Now let's dive into some of the main design features. There's a lot to cover with this pistol, so I won't be going into every nitty-gritty detail. For that I have a building manual, check the link in the description. The gun can be easily disassembled by pulling out the rear pin and the front piece. Removing the top half of the gun provides easy access to the internals. And in addition to the CSGO inspired skin I designed, there's also a sleek blackout version that looks pretty sharp. The assembly steps are basically the same, except in reverse. Now moving on to the magazine, I want to give a special shout out to a subscriber for suggesting this claw piece on the magazine. It turned out to work pretty nicely, so I kept it. The standard mag holds up to 6 rounds, as you have seen in the demo. But if that's not enough, you can always opt for an extended mag. And if that doesn't cut it, well, yeah. The magazine is held securely in place by a spring-powered catching mechanism, or a mag catch, whatever, and pressing the button will release it, just like that. Another small detail I'd like to show you is the barrel piece. It adds significant realism to the design, and it took some time to perfect, making sure it doesn't impair the functionality. In summary, this pistol is highly reliable, and I'm very pleased with how the aesthetic turned out. The pistol is also very durable and holds up surprisingly well without any glue. I mean, Lego remains Lego, so just whatever you do, don't drop it to the ground. On a final note, you might be wondering how I designed stuff like this. And honestly, it's a bit of a mystery even to me. But to help you out, I've put together a detailed step-by-step building manual that covers the entire process from start to finish, so you can build this pistol yourself. You can find it on my website along with other creations I've worked on. So if you're interested, check the link in the description. Thanks again for watching and see you all next time. Please like and subscribe and comment.